Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So kindly go through it and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today we are going to learn Gunjan textbook, class 3, chapter 16, Michael Faraday. So this chapter is about the scientist Michael Faraday. सड़क पर तेजी से भागती हुई गाड़ियां तुम प्रतिदिन देखते हो. यू विल सी फास्ट मूविंग व्हीकल्स ऑन द रोड एवरी डे. बस और ट्रैम में चढ़ने का आनंद भी शायद तुमने बहुत बार लिया होगा. यू वुड हैव ऑल्सो बोर्डेड बसेस एंड द ट्रैम्स दैट दे यूज इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज, नो, दैट ऑल्सो मेनी टाइम्स यू वुड हैव बोर्डेड ऑन देम. बिजली के पंखे और इस तरह के कई उपयोगी साधनों से तुम परिचित ही हो. So you must be familiar with like electrical fans and many such useful tools connected to electricity. कारखानों में तरह तरह के मशीनें भी तुमने देखी होगी. कारखाने मीन्स factories. So different types of machines that are used in factories that also you would have seen. क्या तुमने सोचा है कि ये सब मशीनें किस प्रकार चलती हैं? Have you ever wondered how all these machines actually work? ये मशीनें बिजली के चुंबक से चलती हैं. सो दीज मशीन्स एक्चुअली रन विथ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स. बिजली के चुंबक की खोज माइकल फेराडे नामक एक वैज्ञानिक ने की थी. सो द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय अ साइंटिस्ट नेम्ड माइकल फेराडे. सो अबाउट हिम वी आर गोना लर्न टुडे. वैज्ञानिक मीन्स साइंटिस्ट. फेराडे की इस खोज से विश्व को अनेक उपयोगी चीजें मिल पाई. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फेराडे वर्ल्ड गॉट सो मेनी यूजफुल थिंग्स. परंतु बाल्यकाल, बाल्यकाल मीन्स इन हिज चाइल्डहुड, बाल्यकाल में उसे कई कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा था. कठिनाई मीन्स डिफिकल्टीज और स्ट्रगल्स. बट ही हैड टू फेस मैनी डिफिकल्टीज इन हिज चाइल्डहुड. उसका जन्म एक गरीब लोहार के घर हुआ था. सो ही वॉज बॉर्न इन अ पुअर ब्लैकस्मिथ्स हाउस. माइकल 6 साल की आयु से पाठशाला जाने लगा था, पर उसके पास किताबें नहीं थी, इसलिए उसे बहुत परेशानी होती. सो माइकल हैड स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू स्कूल एट द एज ऑफ 6, but he did not have any books with him, so he had to face a lot of difficulties or he had so much troubles because of that. लेकिन वह घबराया नहीं. बट ही डिड नॉट पैनिक और ही डिड नॉट गिव अप. मन लगाकर पढ़ता रहा और साथ ही अपने पिता के काम में हाथ बटाता रहा. बट ही डिड नॉट पैनिक और ही डिड नॉट फील अपसेट. He kept on studying really hard and at the same time he also helped his father in his work. इस प्रकार 7 साल बीत गए. सो लाइक दैट 7 years passed. अब माइकल 13 वर्ष का हो गया था, परंतु गरीबी के कारण उसके पिता ने उसका स्कूल जाना बंद करवा दिया. नाउ माइकल वॉज 13 years old, but due to his poverty, his father had stopped him from going to school. बेचारा माइकल मन मारकर रह गया. बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी ईगर टू लर्न, ही वॉज रियली हार्ट ब्रोकन. पिता की आज्ञा के अनुसार उसने घरों में अखबार बांटना आरंभ किया. सो एज पर हिज फादर्स विल और ऑर्डर ही स्टार्टेड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स इन होम्स और नियर बाय होम्स. कुछ दिनों बाद उसे एक जिल्द बनाने वाले के यहाँ नौकरी मिल गई. जिल्द मीन्स द बाइंडिंग वर्क दे विल डू, ना, द बुक्स बाइंडिंग. So after few days he got a job at a binder's place. इस बहाने उसे किताबें पढ़ने का अवसर भी प्राप्त होता रहा. So what happened, because he is working in a binding place, because of this lots of books will come for getting binded. So because of this he got an opportunity to read more and more books. फेराडे परिश्रमी बालक था. वह अच्छी जिल्दें बांधता था, इसलिए उसका मालिक उससे खुश था. So Faraday was very hardworking child. He used to bind really well. He used to do his work really well. So his master was pleased with him. He was very happy with his work. यदि दुकान पर बिजली से संबंधित कोई किताब आती तो फैराडे उसे अवश्य पढ़ता. If any book related to electricity would come to that shop, Faraday would definitely read it. एक दिन एक बूढ़े आदमी ने उसे ऐसी ही एक किताब में मग्न देखा. So one day, an old man saw him engrossed or deeply immersed in such book related to electricity. One book related to electricity. वह वृद्ध व्यक्ति स्वयं एक वैज्ञानिक था. So the old man was himself a scientist. इतने छोटे बालक को ऐसी कठिन किताब पढ़ते देखकर वह चकित रह गया. So he was amazed to see such a small kid reading such a difficult book. उसने पूछा. So he asked, तुम कहाँ पढ़ते हो? So he asked, where do you study? मैं कहीं नहीं पढ़ता, मैं ये जिल्दें बांधता हूँ, माइकल ने उत्तर दिया. So he replied, I don't study anywhere. I just bind these. This is my work. This is where I work. Replied Michael. मुझे बिजली से संबंधित किताबें अच्छी लगती है. I like books related to electricity. जानकारी बढ़ाने के लिए मैं यह किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. So I am reading this book so that I can increase my knowledge. वह वृद्ध व्यक्ति माइकल के उत्तर से खुश हुआ. So that old man was very pleased with Michael's answer. उसने सलाह दी, यदि तुम बिजली के बारे में जानकारी पढ़ाना चाहते हो तो सर हम्फ्रे डेवी के भाषण सुना करो. So the old man said, if you want to increase your knowledge about electricity, then you have to listen to Sir Humphrey Davy's speech. माइकल तुरंत भाषण की जगह पर जा पहुंचा. So Michael immediately rushed to the place where the speech was going on. वहां जाकर उसने देखा कि भाषण सुनने के लिए टिकट खरीदना जरूरी था. So when he went there, he understood or he got to know that it was necessary to buy a ticket to hear that speech. मालिक से पैसे लेकर उसने टिकट खरीदा और भाषण सुनने गया. So he went to his owner or his boss where he is working. He went to him and asked for his money and he bought the ticket and started listening to the speech. लौटने पर मालिक ने पैसे काट लिए. So what happened when he came back from his daily wage? He deducted the money which he took for the ticket. शाम को कम पैसे लेकर घर पहुंचने पर पिताजी क्रोधित हुए और बोले, इस प्रकार पैसे बर्बाद मत किया करो. So in the evening when he reached home, father found out that he has got lesser money because the owner had deducted the ticket money from his daily wages. And he got really angry and he said, don't waste money like this. अगले दिन माइकल को दुखी देख उसके मालिक को उस पर दया आ गई. So next day, seeing Michael very sad because he can't go to hear the speech, his owner really felt sorry for him. उन्होंने कहा, तुम्हारे टिकट के पैसे मैं दे दिया करूंगा, तुम्हारी मजदूरी से नहीं काटूंगा. So he said, I'll give you the money for your ticket. I'll not deduct from your daily wages. So don't worry, don't be upset. माइकल की कामना पूरी हुई. So Michael's wish came true. वह डेवी साहब के भाषण सुनता, उनको लिखता और उन पर चित्र बनाता. So he used to listen to Davy Sahib's speeches daily. He would write them down and also draw pictures or draw the diagrams, whatever he is explaining. कुछ दिन पश्चात वह उनसे मिला. He also met him after a few days. सर हम्फ्रे डेवी को वह होनहार बालक बहुत पसंद आया. So Sir Humphrey Davy liked that promising boy very much because he was very very intelligent or smart. उन्होंने माइकल को अपना शिष्य बना लिया. So he made Michael his student or his disciple. माइकल उनके साथ रहने लगा, उनसे शिक्षा प्राप्त करने लगा. So Michael started living with him and he started getting education from him only. इस प्रकार अनेक मुश्किलों का सामना करके वह एक महान वैज्ञानिक बन गया. So in this way he became a great scientist by facing many difficulties. So that is the story of Michael Faraday. How he became a scientist because he was very poor. He couldn't also afford the education, but still he discovered electromagnets. How he did? Because of his passion, his hard work, and his dedication. So let's just summarize the chapter. So Michael Faraday was a scientist. He discovered electromagnet. So because of his discovery, we the world got many useful things. But he was born in a very poor blacksmith's house. So only till 13 years he could afford his studies. But after that, because of his poverty, his father stopped him from going to school. Then what he did, he got a job at a binder's place, and because of this he also got the opportunity to read many books related to electricity. And his master, or his owner, that owner who was running that binding shop, he was also very happy with him. So and he also knew that he is very smart and intelligent boy, so he also helped him by getting tickets for Sir Humphrey Davy's speech. So he used to listen to Davy's speech daily, and he used to write them, he used to draw pictures, everything. And one day he met him also. So Sir Humphrey Davy liked this boy very much, and he made Michael his disciple or his student. Michael started living with him and started getting education from him. So in this way he became a great scientist. So that is the summary of the story. I hope you understood the chapter. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.